So, like the symbols evolved over time, so did the periodic table. This right here is an image of Mendeleev's periodic table. So he called this the table of periodic law. This is the first published periodic table. So a couple of differences. Obviously, it's arranged a little bit differently than ours is. He was looking specifically at masses of things. Okay. Whereas our periodic table is arranged now by atomic number, i.e. the number of protons in something. Mendeleev also used superscripts, so there's an R with a 1 superscripted, or here's a 3 that's superscripted on that O, a 3 that's superscripted on that H. Okay, so a little bit different. The amazing thing is that he did all of this without having any modern instrumentation or modern techniques. There's a lot on here that is pretty spot on to what we have today. There's a few things on there that we don't have that don't exist, that were just things that were postulated then. These two elements right here with the 68 and the 72 are placeholders for gallium and germanium. And he was actually able to predict most of the properties of gallium and germanium correctly, simply based off of looking at what was around them on his existing periodic table. Now, our table today, we arrange according to those properties because we look at the atomic number and things will fall in line according to those properties. Most periodic tables are going to have the atomic number, i.e. number of protons, the symbol, and then the mass is an average from isotopes. Okay, and we'll learn what that means in this chapter. Some periodic tables will have more information, like some of them will have the name of the element in addition to just the symbol. Some of them will have other information, like I think the one I give you guys for your tests and quizzes has electronegativity data on it. But the basic periodic table is just going to have the atomic number, the symbol, and the mass. Okay. This one doesn't have the masses on it because it's just supposed to show the layout of the periodic table. Now, we can see here we've got 3 different classifications: metals, semi-metals, and non-metals. The semi-metals are also sometimes called metalloids. So if you look on the periodic table, what do most elements exist as? If you said metals, you were correct. So the vast majority of elements are metals. We have a few of the semi-metals, and that's in the stair-step region. So a lot of periodic tables, they don't always color this in, but they will have a stair step on them like that. So our semi-metals are in the stair step region. And then that very right side of the periodic table are our non-metals.